Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Hari. Yes. Next, Miss Gurveen Narang.
Yeah, very good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Uh,
Hari, you can stop sharing your screen. Gurveen, you can go ahead.
okay, sir. Sir, is my screen visible?
Yeah, perfectly.
Yeah, again, very good afternoon. Thanks to AI ICA team for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you to wonderful jury and my co-panelist. I'm here to introduce my AI tool. It's PALV, Pan Aadhaar Link Validator. It is an intelligent document verification system. This is an AI-powered document verification system using OCR and intelligent data matching. The objective of this project is to develop an intelligent system that automates the process of reading, verifying, and storing official documents such as PAN card, Aadhaar card, and GST certificate. The system aims to minimize manual and data entries and speed up the KYC and business verification processes and ensures data authenticity using APIs and artificial intelligence. Now I'm logging into my account. So my dear friends, as chartered accountants, the basic document is PAN and Aadhaar. I wanted to prepare a tool for my CA fraternity, the matter which took 15 to 20 minutes of time, which we've done in matter of fraction of seconds. Suppose the client sends us on WhatsApp his PAN or Aadhaar card, which is generally in JPG format. For assistance, I have saved in my folder. I have created a folder in which I have created my client's PAN, Aadhaar, and Aadhaar front and Aadhaar backside. So just to test check, I'm taking first PAN card, which is in JPG. This was sent to me on my WhatsApp. Then I click this upload and read. Through OCR AI tool, this will read it. See, it is just matter of fraction of seconds. And when my staff punches it, and then it checks it from the income tax site, whether it's linked or not, it takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Now, next I'll upload the Aadhaar card photo. This is the Aadhaar card front side. This is the Aadhaar card back side. Upload and read. Again, in matter of seconds, it is extracted in a perfect manner. Then I will save both PAN and Aadhaar details in my system. I click here. It is saved in my system, which is inbuilt in my computer. Nothing is going on any of the server. Only the linkage is being checked through APIs, through the income tax site and the Aadhaar site. Then verify. See, the PAN verification result has come. It is saying PAN number, name is true, date of birth is true, status is valid, category is individual, PAN is linked to Aadhaar card, yes. Then an additional facility is to get the GST number, whether this client is having GST number or not. I'll again click it. Through the use of APIs, it will go to the GST website and fetch the details. Yes. So it has given me a wonderful result. The PAN, GSTN number, legal name, trade name, division code, division name, status, active, e-invoice status or no. I'll check one more. This is also one of my clients' data. Upload and read. Verify. Yes. The same result in matter of fraction of seconds has been done. Then I'll upload the Aadhaar card. Aadhaar front side. Aadhaar back side. upload and read. Yes, it has again checked it. Then I'll save the Aadhaar details, save both PAN and Aadhaar. And then I'll go in this list, view PAN. So it is this PAN details, his name, PAN number, father's name, date of birth, status, valid, individual, then whether linked or not. For test checking, I had selected 20 PAN cards of my office, and then for additional benefit, this can be exported PAN table to Excel sheet. So out of these, they told us there are two, they were not linked. So I can immediately ask my staff to get into it, pay the late fees and get it done. Then this is the view GSTI number. These on this only those clients will come which have the GSTI number. To view, suppose I can click Resham Singh, PAN card, GSTI number, status code, legal name, invoice, no. Then I'll go to view Aadhaar. In Aadhaar, the front photo, back photo, Aadhaar number, his name, his date of birth, his gender, address is all saved. This can also be viewed here. Export Aadhaar table can come here. And all my details are saved offline in my system, which is accessible to me and my staff through internal server and which can be used by it. So basic saving of time of my CA fraternity is the usage of my tool. And then on front end, I can search any of my clients' details. When I'll click here, name, his name, Aadhaar number, PAN number, father name, status, all the details are coming only through his WhatsApp, PAN and Aadhaar card, which my client had sent it to me. And within fraction of seconds, everything is done. So this was about my PALV, an intelligent document verification system, which is checking the link validator, which is transforming minutes of manual data entry into seconds of verified compliance. PALV is not just an automation tool, it's a force multiplier of your firm's most valuable asset, that is time. Now, the critical problem was when the PAN Aadhaar is not linked, Section 139A mandates PAN Aadhaar linking. Failure results in blocked financial transactions and inability to file ITR and claim refunds, high tax burden, manual inefficiency, and compliance penalties. So I have made a solution. I have used advanced OCR. I have used the website OCR Space, which is a free AI tool, which is readily accessible to every one of you. And I want you to use it, which will automatically read and extract data from PAN and Aadhaar cards. The system verifies information through government APIs and fetches the GST details for registered businesses. So sometimes the client who comes to us, who is not known to us, his KYC is done in fraction of seconds, which used to take 15 to 20 minutes of, I had to first punch the PAN details, Aadhaar details, then go to the income tax site to check whether the client is PAN Aadhaar is linked or not. And then I have to also go to the GST website to search his GST number, whether he's already running any GST number or not. Intelligent data matching ensures accuracy even with spelling errors, case mismatches, or formatting differences, going beyond simple text comparison. So I have taken dual AI architecture. One is AI-based OCR, which is the computer vision models. The data is coming to my WhatsApp. The client clicks the pic And computer vision models extract structured data from document images with high accuracy, even under varied lighting or quality conditions. And intelligent data matching, natural legal language algorithms compare OCR extracted data with API responses, semantically enabling validation beyond simple text matching. So my system workflow was first was upload and scan, then it was OCR extraction, then it was API verification, and then it is secure storage. Verified records are stored offline in my system. And my core features were automated scanning. Nothing, my files in which PAN and Aadhaar were lying scattered in the office. Now it's just in one Excel file, it is saved. And also within a fraction of seconds, it is checked whether its KYC is done or not. And also no need to go through the files and take out the PAN and Aadhaar and check the linkage. It is already done automatically in fraction of seconds. So it's automated scanning, API verification, GST integration, and secure storage, which is more important. Like it is organized offline database for all verified records with enterprise security. And the user dashboard, and which was very interactive interface for upload, verification, search, and record management. And it was a smart matching. Next is 80% reduction in manual verification time. My tool is the most important. It is a reduction in manual verification time. PALV dramatically accelerates the verification process. Okay, ma'am. Transforming what once took hours into matter of seconds. This efficiency gains allows your team to focus on high value activities instead of repetitive data entry. And what is my expected outcome is automated extraction, time efficiency, high confidence, and secure archive. And moreover, sir, I would like to share that my tool is KYC for chartered accountants, streamlined client onboarding with instant document verification and compliance check. It is also useful for the financial institutions, accelerate customer verification for banking services while ensuring regulatory compliance. Government portals, it enables efficient document validation for citizens and also for business compliances. Last, transform your verification process. The future is automated. PALV represents the next generation of document verification, intelligent, fast, reliable. By combining cutting edge with AI, government API integration, we deliver a solution that does not just save time, it transforms how your organization will handle compliance. Are you ready to multiply your team's productivity? And in the end, I would like to end the presentation with a slogan: PAN Aadhaar link validator, verify the data, validate the link, and eliminate the risk. Thank you so much.
Good presentation, Gurveen. I have a question to you. Which API have you used for extracting data from GSTN and validating your PAN and Aadhaar with the income tax department site?
Yes, sir. It's Sandbox.
Sorry?
Sandbox.
Okay. And there is another question from the audience, which I had just put in. Can you extend the functionalities to verify bank account based on some logic which you may consider to answer?
So kindly repeat the question.
Can you use the tool or extend the functionality of the tool to verify bank accounts and other related state portals?
Yes, sir. That I will. Next step is this only. KYC will be done, and automatically the bank details, client's income tax returns, Form 16, that will be automatically extracted, sir. That is my next step. In this step, I have integrated the PAN, Aadhaar, and GST.
Okay. Kedar sir, if you have some queries.
No, sir. Nothing. Good presentation, Gurveen.
Thank you, Kedar sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.